What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the build series. Today we're going to focus on the rear end of the bike. I want to put some chrome strut covers on it, replace these 11.5-inch shocks with some 13s, bring us some height back in the bike, as well as clean our tensioners here and clean up the axle bolt. I don't know if you guys recall on the first video, it was a little gunked up and I'd like to clean it before greasing it and running it back through. So with that said, I am going to throw in a bonus clip. I got the speedometer working, so stay tuned for that one. I've got everything on the bike. I didn't feel like messing with the tank, so this is loosely balanced. Not too concerned with it. I'm going to go ahead and give us a key. We got 45,224 miles. I'm not unhappy with that. All my wiring's buttoned up. I tried to run it as cleanly as possible. I kind of want to find a plug for this side. That way it's even cleaner on the right side, but we'll see. With that said, I'm ready to get into the rear. I have to remove everything either way, so I'm going to just start on the lowers of the shocks and then remove them from the top portion, and then pull this shock bolt off the top, or shock stud, so we can put the strut cover on. Do it the same on the other side, and then we'll get to the next portion. There we go. Man, I'd rather it be tight than loose, right? Take the strut cover. Boom. First strut cover, makes a big difference, I think. Before I put this one on, these have sat in my garage for a while. Not sure if this is making out, but this is an easy steel wool fix, so I'm just gonna rub it down with some steel wool. That way I'm not trying to work around the bolt. See right here, I'll rub that down and then show you the mirror finish off of it. Boom. Not too bad. Oh, there's somebody in here. Hey. Hand tight as far as we can go. Strut covers are on. You can see the camera looking nice in the reflection. My tensioner, the thing is like glued in there. I had to be a little mean to it. I'm gonna move these over, clean them up some. throw some anti-seize on this axle. Make it nice and greased up. There we go. Nice. New shock, new strut, belt deflection. I could still probably loosen that a little more. I'm not too concerned because I'll definitely check that out once more before final assembly of everything. I appreciate you guys for watching. Next time, might be getting into some of the exhaust, the intake manifold, the carburetor, running all my cables and whatnot from there. We'll see. Once again, I still have the list, which reminds me, we finished the shock, so cross those off. Boom. And I don't think we finished anything else on here yet. Speedo mount, that's actually going to be for, I got to make like a little strap and weld that in on that dash. If you liked the video, press that button. If you haven't subscribed already, press that other button. I'll be doing probably about 4 or 5 more episodes of the build series. Once the weather warms up, we'll be looking at rider spotlights and whatnot. I'm also trying to get back into filming rides as the weather gets better as well. So either way, have a good week. I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.